Hello, I'm Lisa, and I am so excited to be an education ambassador for UniWigs. I am a big believer in UniWigs and their products, and that is why I agreed to work with them on this basis where I can be providing education for you all. I'm very, very passionate about helping people find just the right hairpiece to suit your needs as far as your hair loss. I do wear full wigs because I have alopecia areata, which is autoimmune, but I have lost almost all the hair like around this area. I have a little hair on top of my head. I'm wearing a UniWigs wig, one of my favorites by them. This is Leah. And so I am not a chopper wearer because I just don't have the right type of hair loss for that. But so I'll be helping with education for wigs, and I have tried synthetic wigs and human hair wigs from UniWigs, and I've always been pleased with their products. One thing that I love about UniWigs is I feel like they're very aware of their customers' needs, and they're very willing to, change and just flow with whatever it is that their customers are looking for. I have seen them throughout the years that I've known them and been working with them. I've seen them make adjustments to cap construction, try new types of caps, do all sorts of innovative things like that, just to try to have the very best product that they can. And I love the fact that they're able to deliver that product and also have a great price point on their products, because let's just face it, wigs are expensive. We all know that. So, they are definitely an investment, and we want to have that perfect wig that, just that perfect color that just fits us just right. So they have a lot of really, really great colors. I have reviewed blondes for them, brunettes, bronze, which are my favorite, a really nice highlighted brunette, and I have been happy with their products. So as far as me personally, I am 57 years old. I am married to my husband, Jim. We've been married for over 30 years, and we have 2 boys. My boys are 24 and 26, so they are grown up and they are, doing their careers. And but we do live fairly close to each other, so we do get to spend a lot of time together as a family, which I really enjoy. I also love to do things outdoors. I have been playing golf now for, almost 2 years. Is that right? It's just nice to be able to be out on the course in the sunshine. It's something my husband and I can do together, even though he's way better than me. But we just, it's something that we really, really enjoy. So what I was looking for with my hair loss was, I just wanted to find the right wig so that I could just cover the hair loss and just move on with my life and feel like everybody else, go to the grocery store and look just like everybody else at the grocery store, And what I have found with wigs is that it's so much fun to be able to change your style up and have all those different options. So I'm a very active social person, so it's just very important to me to just be able to have some hair to slap on so I can go and do my thing and be with my friends or be with my family or whatever the case may be. So I hope that I can help you a lot here at UniWigs, and I'm really, really excited to be working with them.